Hello guys, so once again welcome back to my channel. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and I'm going somewhere out today morning. This time actually I'm going in the Pingtung city. There is one waterfall known as the Liangshang waterfall. So there I'm going, and along with me there are two Indian friends also with me. So I'm going with them. So first of all we rent one scooter for them, and from there we will start our journey. So I will show you everything about our journey, so be with me. So finally we came near at the Nanji station here, and in front of Nanji station there is one rental bike shop. So from here we rent one scooter for them, and from here we will go together. So Akash is already taking one scooter from there, and Aditya is also coming from here. So after 15 kilometers later we stop here. Actually in Akash scooter we need to fill some petrol. So after filling that we will go again. Let's see how the view. जबरदस्त. So finally we stop here at 7-Eleven to buy some breads and snacks. You can see here Akash and Aditya. So finally we stop here at 7-Eleven, and here I have ordered one bread and some energy drink. So here Aditya and Akash, they eating noodles. Like we ask them how they feeling now.
Now feeling great. All good, weather is good. Everything is good.
Yeah, let's enjoy guys.
शांत दिख गया साला फोकस किया तो मजा आ गया। तो प्यारा लग रहा ना ऊपर देखो।
वही तो तू नीचे देख, मैं ऊपर देखता हूँ।
मैं नीचे ही देख रहा हूँ।
Firstly, we went to the Laishang waterfall, but due to the landslide, that waterfall was closed, and then we decided to move to the next waterfall. And nearby here, one Wutan waterfall is here, so we came to see that Wutan waterfall, and the waterfall is really nice. You can see here. I will show you the view also, but waterfall is really good here.
इंडियामध्ये तर आम्ही
Finally, we are enjoying here in the waterfall. See this, guys. Until now, we are swimming here in the small waterfall down there, and now we are going in the big waterfall. Let's see how it is. after spending around more than 2 hours, we are now going back because so many people are coming here. You can see so many people are came here to see this waterfall. But the overall experience about this waterfall is really nice. The waterfall is really beautiful. So if you wanna come, definitely visit this waterfall. And this time the water flow also very fast. So maybe you can come after the raining season. That will be good to visit this place. Now everything was ready, so we are going back again. And while coming here, we just saw one big temple on between the roads. So now we are going to visit that temple because it's really nice. So I will show you that temple also. So let's see again. So we finally reached at that temple. It's nearby that waterfall, Wan Waterfall. So you can see behind us. Full view of, I will show you the full view of the temple. Really it is nice. Now we are going inside this temple. But place literally quiet here. Any sound, nothing. If you want peace, you can come here and sit for some time. That is so good. Backside of the temple, there also a big